Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Neha. I make video on tech and my life in the UK. I'm starting a new series on React Router version 6. So what we are going to build in this series is all about React Router. I have already made a video that how you can make this application by doing API request. So I will be using this example. You can find the video link in the description box of how to make API called React website. But what we are going to do while learning React Router is we are going to implement this navigation. So we are going to have a home, about, contact, and when I'm going to click, we will be reaching inside those pages. With that, we are going to also learn about the nested routes. So like you are on contact, so you can see on the top you have URL/contact. Now within this I have welcome and also I have team. And if you will look at the URL, now it is contact/team. So we are also going to learn about this. In addition to these routes, we are also going to learn about the dynamic routing. So you can see that this all content, these all cards, characters are coming from an API. So if I will click any of such card, you will see the dynamic. We are going inside the detail of that character, and this is also dynamically coming because what it means is that when I'm clicking, this request for this character is coming from an API, all this data. So these are known as the dynamic routing. We are going to learn about this. We are also going to learn about the different routers we have in React Router. In addition to this, we are also going to learn about the programmatic routing. What it means is that right now on your UI, you have home, about, contact. But now you want that once I will put some information in this form, if that information is matching what you want, then only the page should navigate to a new page. Or once this form is successfully submitted, then you want it to move it to a new page. That is known as the programmatically routing. So that is also what we are going to learn. So for example, I will add Neha. Now I can go to the profile page now, but if I will write something, anything which is not Neha, it is not gonna let me go to the new page. Now if your user is gonna try to reach out to a route which is not defined, then we can also show them a sorry message, or basically this route is not available, please go back to home. So we are also gonna learn how we can implement this kind of behavior. With V6 we have few more features, new hooks, new components got introduced. One of them is form component. So this particular form is implemented by using the form component, which is released in V6. So we are going to learn about that, how to use this form component, what is the advantage. And with that we also have use action data, which will help us in getting the data of this form, and we can show that in our UI. So right now if I will go ahead and fill information. Now what will happen, this Neha name coming in my UI, in my React.js component through that hook. So what is this hook, why we are using it, how we are using it, we are also going to learn about this. Another important feature of our version 6 is data loaders. So data loaders, what are those, why we are using it, how to use it, it's very interesting. So right now what is happening is when I go to a live route, what happen is a API request goes and it will give me this data available once my route is there. So my before my component is loading, my data will be provided to my route. So right now this Morty Smith is actually at the back end, under the hood, not the under the hood, behind the scenes. My loader is doing a API request or a fetch request, getting that data and presenting it here. So now instead of doing from React.js, we are doing it from React Router. Now what is this data loader, why we are using it, how to use it, I'm gonna cover this also in this series. Plus, if there is a error, there is no response from this data loader, then how to handle such error pages, error scenarios, That is also I'm gonna show you, because there is another hook which is available in V6 which help you in showing your user error component when your loader is not able to fetch the data. So in short, we are gonna do a lot of learning in React Router. My goal is once you are done with this series, you will be able to build your own project with React Router. Plus, you will be comfortable with understanding all the concept of React Router, and definitely to be comfortable with V6, or at least know that what is new in V6 and how to use it. Okay, so with that, we will start our series. Please let me know how this series is going with you. With every video I will be releasing, I would love to read about your feedback, your comments, or how I can improve. So all the best, and let's start.